Hey fellow Dashers, it's Dean again with another piece of advice to help you have a better and more lucrative DoorDash experience. Today's video is going to be very short. I just want to talk to you about the situation when the town that you're in seems very, very busy and suddenly, just like that, your orders or the offers that you're getting from DoorDash suddenly come to a stop. So let me explain my situation. I'll tell you what happens to me and I'll tell you how I fix that issue. So I usually wait at a gas station. It's called QT. And I wait there and I position myself there because it's right dead center in the middle of like 15 different restaurants. They're all within a half a mile from me. So it's a great place for me to set up, okay? And that's where I'll sit and wait. And this way everything's right close by and I get orders for all the different restaurants, okay? So I'll do that very often. And sometimes during dinner or lunch, it is extremely busy. I mean, orders are cranking. I'm getting offers every 5-10 seconds. I can't hit decline fast enough before the next one comes in, right? And I'll get an order, I'll go do it. Takes, 10-15 minutes. I come back, I wait for the next order. Busy, 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 and then nothing. Like 5 minutes go by, I don't get a single offer. And I'm looking at the map. And the map is not only busy, but it's getting even busier. There's orders everywhere. There's 5 hotspots. The entire town is pink, meaning that there's orders coming into all the different restaurants. And for some reason, I'm not getting any of them. I don't know if you seasoned DoorDashers ever experienced this, but here is the fix that I found that works almost every single time. So if this happens to you, just do this. And that's move, move, move. And what I mean by that is if I sit and that happens and I'm getting orders and I'm declining and then suddenly it comes to a stop, I'll wait about 5 minutes maximum. If I don't see an order come in, I put my car in reverse, I back out of the spot and I start heading in any direction, right? It doesn't matter because it's really busy. I notice that whenever I literally start moving, as soon as my car leaves the driveway of the gas station and I go in any direction, bang, 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 orders start coming in again. So I have a theory about this. Now, I don't know if you guys ever experienced this. You're looking at the map, you're driving around, and you're the little blue dot, right? You can see there's a little arrow on top of it, and that'll show you the direction you're going in, the street that you're on, and basically show you your location. How many times have you seen that blue dot frozen in a spot that you were at before, but you're not at now? That happens to me a lot. And the way I fix that is by going back to the home page and then returning back to the Dasher page, the Dasher home page. So I go to the home page. When I go back, bam, the map fixes itself. Now it's showing me in the correct location. So I notice that quite often, my little blue dot will be somewhere that I'm not. I'm in one place, the map is showing me that I'm in another place. Also, very similar, not only will the map show me that I'm in the wrong place until I reset it, but sometimes it shows me that I'm nowhere. It doesn't even have the little blue dot on the map. Even while I'm sitting at QT, sometimes I look down at the map while orders are coming in and I decline an order and I look and I'm not even on the map. The little blue dot's not even there. So my theory on this is that whether it's a split-second downtime, your data connection cuts out for a second, whether the server at DoorDash just loses you for a second, and until you start moving again, it doesn't even know that you're there anymore. It's like it doesn't send you offers because you're nowhere. You're not even on the map anymore, so it's not going to send you any offers. That is my theory. I think I got that down. I am pretty sure that's the case. Because every time that happens, whenever the orders are coming in really good, there's a lot of busy, restaurants, there's DoorDash orders everywhere, and suddenly I'm not getting any of them until I start moving. I'm talking about the moment I pull out of the driveway. If I head in any direction, right, doesn't matter where I'm going, suddenly the orders start coming in again. So again, it's my theory that it's somehow the server, the DoorDash server kind of loses you on the map and it doesn't know that you're there or it doesn't know where you are, or it has you in a location that you're not. So, and you'll see that. You'll see an arrow where you actually are and then a blue dot somewhere else where you used to be, but you're not there anymore. So to fix that problem, almost every time this works. So you guys give this a shot. You tell me if this works for you. If you suddenly stop getting orders, move the car, right? Just leave the space that you're at, head in any direction, especially one that has a hot spot or a pink zone. Just head in that direction and you'll notice that orders will start coming in again, okay? So if that happens to you, give that a shot. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know, for you seasoned guys out there, if you experience what I experience, which happens quite often, and how you fix it if you're doing the same thing that I'm doing, if you notice that I'm correct about moving. Otherwise, that's my advice for today. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, take care.